Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify charging port damage using high zoom inspection photos, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a smartphone or camera capable of taking high resolution photos. Ensure you have adequate lighting to illuminate the charging port clearly. Next, remove any case or cover from the device to allow for an unobstructed view of the charging port. Position your smartphone or camera so that it is stable and can capture detailed images without shaking. Initiate the camera app and set it to macro mode, if available, to enhance detail capture. Carefully zoom in on the charging port, ensuring the focus is sharp. Take multiple photos from different angles to document any potential damage thoroughly. Once you have captured the images, transfer them to a computer for better analysis. Open the photos using image editing software that allows for zooming and enhancement. Examine the images closely for signs of damage such as bent pins, corrosion, or debris. Pay special attention to the alignment of the charging pins and the overall integrity of the port. If you observe discoloration or corrosion, this may indicate liquid damage. Inspect for any physical deformities or abnormalities around the port edges. Make notes on your findings for future reference or discussions with professionals. If significant damage is detected, it may be necessary to consult a technician for repairs. Finally, store the images safely, as they could be helpful for warranties or service inquiries later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.